off we go. Picture book by Kim Do-ah. 웅진주니어 Publishing.
Ahem. This is the village headman. You know we're visiting Mr. Tang's place over the hill tomorrow, right? I know, it's the busy farming season. But if you can join us, please meet by the Zelkova tree at 6 a.m. tomorrow. See you tomorrow. This year's fruit is nicely sweet. Heave-ho! Plenty of fuel, too. Let's go, Boxel! I wonder how many people will come. Oh my, quite a crowd. Good morning, everyone.
Good to see you.
Look, our good headman is here.
Why is this so heavy?
Yeah, I made some fabric.
Oh my, what's this?
I made some rice cakes. Heave-ho!
Climb on slowly.
Oh dear. Thank you.
It's a joyful day for the whole village. It truly is.
When we were young, it was always bustling.
You're right about that.
Are the little critters coming too?
Of course, they're family. Toksun, Toli,
Heave-ho!
that's it.
Everyone's on board. Let's head out.
We haven't gone out in so long. Feels like a picnic.
Hey, wait for me.
Huh?
Let me come too.
Quick, climb
Welcome
aboard.
Phew, I almost missed you.
Hand it here.
Heave-ho. Phew.
Everyone's on now.
Let's roll.
Now we're really off.
Sorry I was late from working in the fields.
Oh my, you were busy.
The weather is lovely.
I hope Mr. Tang's house is all fixed.
Yes, it doesn't leak anymore.
Great. After all that hard work.
Huh? Who's over there?
Isn't that Donggun's mom?
Hello, everyone.
Hello, have you eaten?
Yes, we have. Please, take these peppers with you.
Oh my.
We're short-handed, so we can't go. Have a good trip. Send our regards.
Absolutely.
Sure will. Whoa! Oh dear!
Yikes.
Oh dear!
Wow, the wind's really picking up.
Whoa!
Look at all the chestnuts. What a harvest.
Going uphill. Hold on tight.
Take my hand.
Hold tight.
Down we go.
Oh,
Hang
dear.
on.
I nearly had an accident.
Oh dear, oh dear.
They're waiting for us.
Hello.
Hello.
Goodness, that was a lot of work.
Thank you.
Oh, my,
how
how
pretty.
pretty.
She's lovely.
She looks just like her dad.
But the lips are exactly like Mom's.
Grow up healthy, little one.
1,
2, 3.
Wow, this batch turned out great. See you again.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hold on tight. Back uphill.